It's looking bad. We supposed to be out here in this battle tomorrow. We under the hood on this bitch. Making tapping noise. Man, we have to come with a flatbed truck or something, man.
It's cold game.
Yeah. I know people waiting to take my head off. You know, I'm waiting to battle for it. But if the heart don't, you know.
If the heart don't beat,
yeah, we can't go.
Well, we gonna see. We gonna see what's cracking and see if we can get it going though.
Yeah. You know,
make it happen.
Make it happen. Man, ain't one thing, it's 5 others. A man said it might be a bent valve. We looking at rocker arms right now. Actually, I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at. I'm just looking.
Yeah, we're gonna see it in a minute.
Let's say I can't switch a motor this goddamn fast, so I might have to refine the problem. Maybe we can solve the problem. We're gonna see.
Yeah, tune in. We're gonna let y'all know before the night over.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
That's what's up. So y'all think I'm playing? Look. Metal. Something up in here broke. Looks like to be the rocker arm. Motherfucker. I need a rocker arm off a 350 Chevy to get me back in the goddamn game. Somebody might have to go down tonight. I don't even know what we're gonna do about this here. I hate to call it, guys. I got the lifter back in. I mean, the rocker arm that was broken. But it's all bad. Block is down. We have game over. As it stands, we got broken lifter. That part broke, and we were able to recover the leftover of the keeper, which erases all fear of parts into the engine. The bottom half destroyed too. So we got on deck fresh lifter, fresh push rod, and rocker arm assemblies. You already know I worked on motors too, huh? Taz, man, you a savior, man. That first Friday episode, y'all heard me last night. I'm back. Hey, house calls is a motherfucker. Friends is a motherfucker. You gotta have them, baby. Hey, that's all I can say. Hold on. And who am I talking to?
Taz Performance.
That's right. Y'all see how he got me going 16 lifters later. Well, here's what y'all gonna be up against tonight. If you thought the 12s was the shit, nigga, wait and see what I do to y'all tonight. Bring your A games, boy. Bring your A games. 'Cause I'm bringing mine. What? Oh, Lord? That's all I got to say.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Jingle Bell! Hey, good to see you, baby! Hey, man, I feel good! Hey, y'all, everybody, Merry Christmas, looking for Pinky Nook!